Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin predicts Bitcoin will hit $333,000, sending shockwave through the crypto world. Emphasizing a decentralized internet, Buterin highlights Ethereum's game-changing projects like Crypto Forecaster and Lens. Innovations like Workflow Trees and EIP-444 aim to boost efficiency and solo staking. Amid challenges, Buterin remains optimistic, envisioning a freer, more open internet through blockchain. Stay tuned as Bitcoin's potential skyrockets. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So here we are starting off with, Bitcoin isn't $1 million yet because most people don't understand simple math. 8,000 Bitcoin more than $500 million. So many people choose B and C. Why? Because they are stupid, and that's true. And here we can see the past is you can only pick one: 8,000 Bitcoin, 5 million in cash, and 4,000 a week for life. And here we could see C. To be honest, I feel like I could blow 5 million super easy. 4K a week. I'll never have to work another day in my life. Or A. Basically, he's saying or A, but he should understand that A is the best option because he got 8,000 right now. Yeah, 4,000 is a passive income, as I would say, and that's really great. Everybody would be satisfied with that, and you could reinvest those money, blah 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 blah. But you got 8,000 Bitcoins right now. So basically, that makes more money you can invest in, and you can understand, if you're smart enough, you can make more money out of that than from just C. But most people would choose passive income rather than active income because they are still lazy, and that's why they will not get anything from these options ever in their life because they won't work for any of these things. Next up, Bitcoin balance on Coinbase is hitting all-time lows. Incoming supply shock. Here we could see, basically on this screenshot, is the balance was 391,000 and the Bitcoin price at 65,000, so we can already understand the supply shock is about to come soon. Next up, Bitcoin targeting the upper line of its realized price. On the larger scale, Bitcoin is still above the ceiling, no matter what happens in the lower time frames. When in doubt, zoom out. Bitcoin is going to be the biggest bull market of all time, and we are prepared for it. Bitcoin front-running perma bears and sideliners every single time. Here we can see it's going to 12k, then 50k, that's 20k, that's 30k, and that's 50k is imminent, it's double top, blah blah blah, and now it's back to $67,000. Each time I feel like cheating out my Bitcoin bags, I watch this video. Then I check Fiat tokenomics, infinite supply 27 trillion currently, single node, unlimited maintain 30% of supply held by top 200 holders. Not gonna lie, Fiat is the ultimate shitcoin. Bitcoin is programmed to go up forever. Happy weekend, fam. The Bitcoin sitting above the previous top is a no joke. We will see bullish rally continuation for Bitcoin and alt for the coming weeks, and we are prepared for it. Vitalik Buterin champions open internet through blockchain. Vitalik Buterin emphasizes a decentralized internet, highlighting Ethereum's practical applications through projects like Crypto Forecaster and Lens. Key innovations like Workflow Trees and EIP-444 are set to enhance node efficiency and solo staking in Ethereum, addressing current limitations. Despite concerns, Buterin's vision for Ethereum includes reducing hardware requirements and minimizing MEV to improve network performance. So, Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum's co-founder, insists on showing his optimistic thinking over the recent issues confronting the crypto community. He strongly emphasized a vision to create a free and open internet, deploying its practical applications through blockchain. This conversation was sparked by a tweet by Josh Stark, who shared a meme about different philosophies within the crypto circle. However, the main objective of the cryptocurrency movement is to have a decentralized, open web that would be driven by a single global force. He mentioned that positive case scenarios such as Crypto Forecaster and Lens that work on confirming the positivity. These platforms are concerned with decentralized and want to change decentralization and want to change, so the internet will be way more open than it is right now. Bitcoin above 66,000 mark. Let's decode the analyst Bitcoin forecast. The Bitcoin price has surpassed the 66k mark, sparking speculation about when it will reach a new all-time high. Crypto expert Ali Charts revealed the Bitcoin forecast in his latest post, as Ali Martinez describes how the Bitcoin follows the basic laws of supply and demand. Moreover, he also highlights the holders' data of Bitcoin in his post on X. Ali Martinez unveils a shocking Bitcoin price forecast. Crypto expert Ali Charts pointed out in the post that the fundamental principles of supply and demand determine the price movement of any crypto asset. When supply exceeds demand, the price of the asset tends to decrease. Conversely, when demand exceeds supply, the price typically rises. These fundamental principles also apply to Bitcoin, and analyzing on-chain metrics can offer valuable insights into the behavior of Bitcoin holders. So he added that in March, Bitcoin achieved a new record high of over $73,000, increasing its realized cap, indicating that most long-term holders were making profits. As a result, some of them sold their Bitcoin positions, causing a significant surge in realized profits. The increased supply of Bitcoin on the market exceeded the demand levels, resulting in a corrective phase that led to the price of Bitcoin dropping below $57,000. This decline caused the Bitcoin to fall below its short-term holders' realized price, instilling fear in the market, as short-term holders are more likely to sell based on price volatility. Moreover, investors are accumulating Bitcoin at a short-term holder realized price of $60,500, and long-term holders are comfortable aiding Bitcoin over $70K, indicating confidence in its future value. As demand for Bitcoin exceeds available supply, its upward trajectory will likely continue. Over 30,000 Bitcoin have been transferred to private wallets for long-term holders holding since early May, further demonstrating holders' confidence. On-chain metrics such as MVRV, extreme deviation pricing bands, suggest the potential future price levels, as with Bitcoin currently hovering around 64,600 and the pricing band at $77,000. So, is the best price of Bitcoin slipped from investors' hands? Another famous analyst, Benjamin Cohen, shared his view about the accumulating Bitcoin at the current levels. And if you are just now converting your Ethereum to Bitcoin, you're extremely late to the party. While I think it will go to 003 to 004, the time to make the trade was 2 years ago, not during the actual capitulation event. Benjamin mentioned in his tweet, if the investors are converting their Ethereum to Bitcoin now, then they are late to enjoy the party. Cohen suggests that accumulating the assets 2 years ago would have been the perfect time rather than the actual capitulation event. Looking at the price right now, we are basically below the $67,000, which we dropped, broke out today at the start of the day basically, and then deep down to the 66,300, recovered back to 67,300, and then deep down again below the $67,000 mark, which we are at right now, but still holding on around the 66,500 to 67,200, which we are in. So we are still holding on, and the trader volume is falling while the price is growing. That's a really great sign. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.